when your driver's side AC isn't as cold as the passenger side. It's like that one sock that always vanishes. The imbalance can be frustrating, especially when you're battling summer heat, but there's usually a technical reason behind it. First, consider the dual climate control systems. Many cars have these allowing different temperatures for driver and passenger sides. If these settings are accidentally adjusted, they can create temperature differences, leading to one side blowing hotter air. Next up, the blend door actuator. This component controls air temperature by directing it through either the heater core or the AC evaporator. If it's malfunctioning, it might be stuck, directing hot air where you want cold. And common pain point and a clogged or blocked airflow could also be a culprit. It's akin to a sprinter trying to catch their breath through a straw. Dust, leaves, or other debris could be blocking ducts or filters, restricting airflow to one side and causing temperature deviations. Check your vehicle's refrigerant levels. It's like the lifeblood of your AC system. Low refrigerant can result in inefficient cooling, leading one side to cool properly, while the other lags. This is a frequently overlooked issue, but can make a noticeable difference. Pro tip, an uneven cooling might be due to sunlight exposure. Often the driver's side is more exposed, and despite AC efforts, direct sunlight can raise temperatures. A simple solution could be using sunshades to reduce this effect. Failing AC compressor or condenser might also be to blame. If they're not fully functional, they can't circulate cool air effectively. This can result in very varying temperatures across different sides, especially when you're stuck in traffic. A proactive step is regular maintenance. Just like you replace batteries in your smoke alarm, every year having annual AC system checkups can reveal potential issues before you find yourself sweating only on the left side. Check for any noticeable signs like strange noises or weak air pressure. These could indicate internal failures. Addressing them early can prevent bigger, costlier headaches. And it might just save your road trip sanity. There's a common tendency to overlook zone preferences in the control settings. And make sure the settings are synced to avoid one-sided cooling. It sounds simple, but like forgetting your keys, it's often the obvious we tend to neglect. Older vehicles might have worn out components affecting efficiency. As parts age, they can lose their effectiveness, resulting in cool air deviations. If your car has quite a few miles under the hood, this could be an issue worth exploring. If DIY isn't your thing, visiting a professional can zero in on hard to diagnose issues. And because professionals have the tools and expertise to handle intricate AC issues, saving time and potential repair missteps, sometimes the peace of mind is worth the cost. So next time the AC is being picky, you might know why. Whether it's a technical hitch or user settings, identifying the root cause is the key. Drive cool and comfortable. Even when Portland feels like a tropical hot mud,